Hello everyone, welcome to Traditionally Modern Food. Today we are going to see how to make instant milk peda, a quick sweet that is perfect for Diwali. Let's get started. In a heavy bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of hot milk and few strands of saffron. Let it soak for a minute. Add 1 cup of milk powder, half tin of condensed milk and mix well to avoid lumps. It will be like a thick idli batter. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix well. Since we are using store-bought condensed milk, the density of the condensed milk might vary slightly. If you think the mixture is too thick, add half tablespoon of milk. Avoid adding more milk as it might affect the peda consistency. Mix well. Avoid cooking before mixing everything. And now the mixture is ready for cooking. Turn on the stove on medium flame and mix well. Today I have used non-stick pan, so it was easy for me to stir the peda mixture. If you are using regular cook pan, make sure you cook on low flame and keep mixing. If required, add little ghee, mix well and cook. As we cook, the mixture thickens up and start leaving the pan. At one stage, it comes together like this. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, half tablespoon of ghee. Mix well and continue cooking on low flame. It will turn into a non-sticky dough. Pinch a small portion of dough and try to roll it. If you can roll it properly, then the dough is ready. You can also touch and see if the dough is sticky. Now the dough is perfect, so turn off the stove and transfer it into your vessel. Let it cool down. When it is warm enough to handle, grease your hands with little ghee. Pinch a small portion of the dough and roll it well with your hands. Flatten it according to your desired thickness. Make a dent in the center with your thumb or a spoon like this. I have added pista. You can add any nuts of your choice. If you have a mold like this, grease the mold with little ghee. Roll the dough and press the dough on the peda mold. Press it well so that the peda gets the impression of the mold. Peda is ready. Now we have seen how to make plain peda and peda with nuts. Let's see how to make chocolate peda. I have taken 1/4 cup of prepared dough. Add half tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1½ tablespoon of powdered icing sugar. I have used store-bought icing sugar. Adjust the sugar according to your sweetness. Mix well and make a pliable dough. The moisture in the dough is enough. If required, add few drops of milk. Avoid adding more milk as it might affect our peda texture. Mix well and knead it. Now the chocolate peda dough is ready. Take a small portion of the dough, roll it well with your hands and press it on the mold to make an impression. Our tasty chocolate peda is ready. Milk peda is generally chewy if you taste immediately. Refrigerate the peda for 4 to 5 hours and enjoy the tasty milk peda. Peda tastes good for 2-3 days in room temperature and up to 1 week in fridge. Do try this tasty milk peda for this Diwali. Thank you for watching Traditionally Modern Food. If you like this video, please subscribe TMF for more recipes.